Kamna, and today I'm discussing about the Neural Love AI. Neural Love AI is an AI-driven tool designed to enhance and restore images, videos, and audios. Its functionalities and features can be effectively used for e-commerce success in various ways. AI Art Generator allows the creation of art using AI with minimal input, which can be used for unique and visually appealing visuals or marketing materials. Image and video enhancement utilizes the advanced machine learning algorithms to automatically improve the quality of images and videos. This is particularly useful for e-commerce platforms in enhancing the product photos and the promotional videos. Audio enhancement boosts audio sample rates for high quality sound, which can enhance the overall quality of product videos and audio content. Ease of access. Neural Love AI is accessible online without the need for installation, making it convenient for businesses that might not have too powerful computers or specialized softwares. Privacy and security ensures that all files are stored privately and encrypted, which is important for business concerned with protecting their versatility. It can be used to enhance and restore a wide range of digital media, making it a versatile tool for various types of content creation. By leveraging these features, e-commerce businesses can significantly improve the visual and audio quality of their online content, which can help attract more customers, enhance user engagement, and ultimately drive sales. Today, this is the last video of AI series, and the future of AI technology is expected to be marked by a significant advancements and broader integration into various sectors. Key trends and predictions includes increased automation and efficiency. AI will continue to automate routine tasks, enhancing the efficiency in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and finance. Advancements in machine learning and natural language processing. These will lead to more sophisticated AI capable of understanding and interacting in human-like ways. Ethical AI and regulation. As AI becomes more influential, ethical considerations and regulations will become increasingly important to ensure its responsible use. Personalization in services and products. AI will enable hyper-personalized experiences based on individual user data. Integration in everyday life. AI will become more seamlessly integrated into daily life, enhancing the smart home technologies, personal devices, and even urban infrastructure. Healthcare innovations. AI will play a key role in personalized medicines, diagnostic tools, and treatment planning. AI in education. Tailored learning experiences and personalized educational tools will become more prevalent. Challenges and risks. Issues like privacy, job displacement, and AI biases will be central challenges to address. Overall, AI's future is poised to become transformative changes across various aspects of society, economy, and daily life. Thank you very much for being with us and watching us throughout this series. Hope you like our video and subscribe our channel.